looks like this wedding, this year, they saved the best for last. What a great excuse for all of us out-of-towners to come visit Nashville and celebrate New Year's with arguably two of the most wonderful people we know.
From the day Kristin was born, I dubbed her my little ray of sunshine. She has a joy for life that is noticed and felt by many.
When Steve and I first met Kristin, we were thrilled at Michael's amazing taste. But of course, I know he got that from me. Where do we start? She's intelligent, engaging, compassionate, generous, hardworking, beautiful, funny, and is a brilliant judge of character. She's exactly what Michael wished for.
My sister is the coolest person that I know. My sister is intelligent beyond her years, stunningly beautiful, and has the most contagious personality of anyone I've ever met. She's a true role model of a human being. Michael is so lucky to have you by his side.
I'd like to start to tell you a little bit about our son, Michael. From the beginning, he gravitated towards sports, which he took to like a dog to a bone. At graduate school at the University of Florida, you found a love of coaching track and field. Students tell us how much they respect and admire you. Your mother and I are proud of the man and the mentor you have become. When a job offer from Stanford presented itself 6 years ago, you listened to Horace Greeley, who said, "Go west, young man." There you fulfilled your destiny, not only as a coach, but also in finding Kristin.
We could immediately see how much they had in common, how much they enjoyed being in each other's company, and how much they respected each other's independence. They're very lucky to have found each other. Kristin, you bring out the best in Michael and make him so happy. And for that, we're eternally grateful. We welcome you with open arms into our family and look forward to celebrating many happy occasions with you in the years to come.
And I'll stay there too. Some things that I can do without.
These are the hands of your best friends, young and strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours, as together you build your future. These are the hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years, and with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will hold you when fear or grief fills your mind. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes. Tears of sorrow, tears of joy. These are the hands that will help you to hold your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it. And lastly, these are the hands that when even you're wrinkled in age, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you that same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. You are my favorite.
You are my favorite.
My partner in life.
My partner in life.
And today, with all of my love, I choose you as my husband.
Today, with all of my love, I choose you as my husband.
I take you as you are.
I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now.
Loving who you are now.
And who you are yet to become.
And who you are yet to become.
I promise to remember that neither one of us is perfect.
Promise to remember that neither one of us is perfect.
But strive to remind myself.
But strive to remind myself.
Of the ways we are perfect for each other.
The ways that we're perfect for each other.
Kristin, I will celebrate your triumphs and be there to support you in good times and in bad.
For richer or poor,
For richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health,
I will love you and have faith in your love for me
I will love you and have faith in your love for me
through all our years and all that life may bring us.
through all our years and all that life may bring us.
I vow to bring you my happiness and much laughter,
I vow to bring you happiness and much laughter,
and I will treasure you as my wife.
and I will treasure you as my wife.
May we have adventures and grow old together.
May we have adventures and grow old together.
Mazel tov!
Don't even care if anyone sees me dancing like I can fly, and don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Now, as I close in this beautiful country music sanctuary, let me give some fatherly advice to the newly wedded couple. Remember to be kind to each other, be patient and understanding. Remember to communicate with each other and to laugh with each other. Michael, whenever you're wrong, admit it. Whenever you're right, shut up. Be there for each other and always have each other to lean on. I hope that the two of you live a long and happy life together filled with joy, laughter, abundance, love, and some kids, please. To Michael and Kristin Eskin.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Time will always try to make us. Time will always try to make us. You remind me what I used to know. Like when I close